Hey guys, how's it going? How to download videos to your gallery in Pinterest. So first of all, go ahead to your Pinterest right here, right? And what you're gonna do, you gotta just go ahead to start looking for the videos right here on Pinterest. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three dots at the top right, and basically you're gonna be able right here, you won't see an option that allows you to save it. So what you're gonna do, you can go ahead right here and click the upload, and that only allow you to share. And if you want to save it, you can just save it to your profile. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and copy the link by clicking the upload button right here at the bottom right, and I'm gonna just copy link. And I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and basically what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and type Pinterest, right, video downloader. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead right here into the first website that you find in front of you, and then paste the link that you just copied from Pinterest. And as you can see, they're working on finding that URL. And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just wait for a few moments right here, and basically you're gonna see this is the video, right? And just go ahead and then download that video. So let me close and see right here, you won't be able to actually do it. So let me go back right here, let me download that video. Then basically right here you're gonna see the video, you can download it to your device. So that's my 9th account. See this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.